I am doing some HELLatina. Warning, do not make this at home unless you want to like suffocate and die, because I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna do it in here. First step is adding 1 3/4 of Felix. Please, I'm just gonna use the smart water that I drank out of, because like again, this is HELLatina is just for me. I'm gonna let that boil. Okay, what color are brains? They said peach, and I'm doing sugar-free. Oh, everything is falling. Why does this always happen to me? Hopefully this color creates the brain color. Oh, why is it white? I guess? Isn't it supposed to be like colorful? I don't know what I'm doing. I do need 3/4 cup of cold water. These little skelly heads. Oh shoot, it's falling in there. Got my ice water. It says in the recipe condensed milk. I'm gonna mix coconut milk with some coconut cream. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I want to make this like as clean and healthy as possible. Oh shit, I got ice inside my Jell-O. Oh no, no, not yet. Oh shit, forgetting that this is boiling. The recipe says 1 can 5 ounces of evaporated milk. So this is 13 ounces and this is 15 ounces. And my vinegar, 20 ounces. Version, it's 0.625. It's between 7 and 5. Okay, okay. Felix is crying. What do you want? Felix, please. I learned my lesson. I'm wearing all black. I'm gonna add, I don't know. This does not look at all satisfying, but whatever. Yes. Ah! Oh no, the handle. My garbage is overflowing. Don't look at it. Why don't you leave me alone? You're not going outside. I have to be in the kitchen. I'm gonna pour this out. And then I have to pour the coconut cream. I'll just throw in the ice. Oh fuck! I knew that was gonna happen. And now I have to put it in the mold. It says it's like cooking spray. What fell inside my HELLatina? There's something black in here. Oh! It's a bug! Where did this bug come from? No, ew. I mean, I guess it's protein. I'm still gonna eat it. If I die, it was just meant to be. This will be my last video. This literally is HELLatina. This is gonna be so disgusting. I'm gonna do avocado oil. Ya se me acabó. Pinche. Now everything is going downhill. Oh, very nice. I'm scared. Yes. My brain. So now I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Yes, yes. It's not gonna freeze because I fixed the temperature. And then I'm gonna do some other step to make it like very jelly and disgusting for my HELLatina. I'll see you guys in 4 hours. All right, guys, this is the next day. I'm gonna check out the Jell-O. I'm scared. Here it is. Oh gosh, why does it look disgusting? Ew. I mean, it really does look like a brain. It's like moldy. Oh my god, the avocado oil worked. There it is. I think that's the coconut oil. It smells good. Here's my brain. It tastes good. The next step is a fun step. So we're gonna do the oozing part of the brain now.
By dissolving 1 3-ounce
Strawberry gelatin. We're doing cherry.
water and
1 cup of water. Oh, I got nothing. I guess we'll use sink water. I'm so slow. I really thought like the powdery was supposed to be already this color.
2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Do we even have cornstarch? Do we have cornstarch? We do, right? No? I thought we did. We do, right? I just rarely use cornstarch.
Mix that together. And now,
This looks like dried period blood. Uh-huh.
and now here's the trick to make
Yeah?
your delicious brain treat even more delish. Microwave it for 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay. Can I do it in 3 minutes? Yes. Yeah, it's getting lit tonight. Why did I do that? 30 seconds left. What? Was I lied to? You know, people always lie to me. That little bitch lied to me. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the microwave. Literally, it looks like period blood. Who wanna eat this? Did I ruin it?
When it's all
Look!
serve it warm. All your Halloween zombies will love it. Happy Halloween.
I give up. Sad. It was a fail. The light was trying to attack me. So we're gonna try this out now. Oh, this looks nasty. I have to get the coconut crust out. This is like the worst Jell-O adventure ever. Like, this is a disaster. You thought those other 2 videos were a disaster. This one is a disaster because I can't even eat it. Why you heard it? It sucks. What is it with me and Felito? Guys, if you ever invite me over and you're like, Cris, can you make a dish for me? Do yourself a favor. Don't even invite me to the party. Either way, I'm not even going. Brain. I like it now. I like it. That is my Gelatina spooky edition. It was a hell to make. Make sure you don't get sugar-free for the weird, I don't even know what the fuck this was. Thank you guys so much for watching my Gelatina adventure. I'll catch you guys next year when I do another Gelatina. That's how I'm gonna say my Gelatina. Maybe I should stop saying it that way. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.